Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Helena and today we're going to be baking Wild Bake. So today I'm really excited. I'm making like a childhood favorite of mine, which is oatmeal cream pies from scratch. I'm even gonna make the filling. So let's get started. I didn't warm up my butter. I didn't warm up my butter room temp, so I have to do it through the microwave. So that's what I'm currently doing. Before I melted the butter, I already preheated my oven to 375. Now this is my butter. Always room temp your butter. I actually need a lot more butter than this, so we're gonna be putting this butter in here. I have to get a whole other stick and a half. Oh my god, I just broke this butter in half. I never knew you could do that. Like, what? That's amazing. Free will is incredible. Okay. So you already know off tops, this recipe is gonna be good because there's so much butter in it. That's just a really great indicator. We're gonna go melt this. So, we need 1 cup of this. Then we need, oh my god. One half cup of granulated sugar. Supposed to use the paddle attachment, but I don't know where mine is. KitchenAid mixers are expensive to replace the little tools, so we're gonna use my whisk. My favorite spatula thingy. It's the hungry caterpillar. How cute is it? Oh, also nail check. They're like super pretty in blue today. Okay, this looks light and fluffy and mixed. I'm gonna pour in vanilla. I don't think I have enough, but that's what we got. One large egg. And that's a medium-sized egg, so we're gonna do part of this egg. That's about good. I'm gonna go wash my hands. This is my first time using molasses. Ooh. So I'm very excited about that. Oh, it's pretty. Wow. I love that. Has a very interesting taste. I've never tasted that in an oatmeal cookie for some reason. Says beat on high speed until combined. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowls. Oh my god. Okay. Now I'm going to be mixing together all my dry ingredients. So I already have my flour in here. So it's 1 2/3 cup flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then it says to add 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Oh, but obviously I didn't do that. And it says to add cloves, but I don't have cloves, so I'm gonna add nutmeg and pumpkin spice. Don't ask me why, but I just feel like pumpkin spice would go really good in this. And then 3 cups of quick oats. We're gonna mix that all together. It smells so good. If they don't come out good, we're gonna look back on this moment right here, how I dumped the cinnamon and be like, okay, that's what happened. Okay, now we mix together all this. I like to mix together with my hands just at first, just to really feel the ingredients and put like my energy into it. I think it's important when you're cooking, or especially baking, to really just put your energy into it. Put love into it. It's true. When something's made with love, it's better. I have to go wash my hands. Now we're going to mix the dry and wet ingredients together. I'm very focused. Oh my god. This is how my mixture looks. It also tastes amazing. I'm really happy I added that pumpkin spice taste. It tastes so good. I think I could actually just eat it. Now it says do about 2 tablespoons of dough. We're making our dough, putting them 30 inches apart. And now I have my 2 trays of cookies, and we're going to put these in the oven at 375 for 10 to 13 minutes. Now we are going to pull our cookies out of the oven. Watch out, Athena. Thank you, baby. I think my hands are too small. Okay. Now we're gonna take these off the pan and put them on the cooling rack. God, I love baking. Something about making a little sweet treat yourself is just so pleasing. I'm gonna try this little piece that broke off. My dog's like staring at me. She's like waiting for me to drop it. Love it. Oh, it tastes good. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, time to make our filling now. I'm mixing the butter. Now the recipe calls for 3 cups of confectioner's sugar, which is powdered sugar basically. But I already ate one. It was so good. I feel like adding the pumpkin spice flavoring really chef's kiss. It really made it amazing. I love baking. As you can see, I'm super passionate about it. I love it so much. I'm really excited. I feel like these are going to come out good, and I really need this win because when we made the matcha cheesecake, I was devastated that it didn't taste like matcha cheesecake. I was really hyped, so we're doing this right. I feel it. I don't have any more vanilla extract, so I'm gonna use maple syrup. And then 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Okay, now that my cookies are cooled off, I'm gonna put this cream in the middle of them and spread it like this. Put a little bit more. And then we're just going to sandwich it like that. Oh my God. This is so amazing. Oh my God, it looks so good. Okay, we're gonna do that to the rest of the cookies. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Tell me these don't look so amazing. I'm gonna have to give them away so I don't eat them all. Oh my gosh. I needed this win, guys. Okay, let's try this one. I'm so excited. Okay, okay. This is so good. It's so good. It's so solid. Oh my god. I think I have to rate it. I think I have to rate it an 8. 8.5. 8.7. Okay, I'm gonna rate it like an 8.7. These are amazing. One thing I would change is I'm gonna have to add more filling, and I would cook the cookies for about 2 minutes less, just so they could be softer, but it's really good. I'm actually so pleased by this. I feel like I'm a very harsh critic on my food. So even presentation, I would give these like an 8. They look good. Like a 9 maybe? I hate to give myself a 9, but like they look really good, right? Not like a professional, but like homemade, like really good. I don't know. Like I would buy that at a store, I feel. I don't know. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, baking with me today. Let me know what you think in the comments about my recipe. Would you eat these cookies? I don't know. Tell me how you think I did. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out at OmgHelayna.com. Bye!